Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to make text italic in messages on your iPhone. Yes, you heard that right. While it's not as straightforward as just hitting a button, there's a simple way to format your texts on iOS to get that sleek, slanted look. In this short and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to italicize your text messages, adding a little flair and emphasis to your conversations. Whether you want to highlight a specific word or just add some personality to your texts, this trick will definitely come in handy. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks. We've got tons of content to help you get the most out of your Apple devices. Okay, so let's get started. Unfortunately, the default Messages app on iPhone doesn't have a built-in italic button. But don't worry, there's a workaround using Markdown. Markdown is a simple markup language that lets you format text using special characters. To make your text italic, all you need to do is put an underscore symbol on either side of the word or phrase you want to italicize. For example, if you want to say, "This is important underscore," type that exact phrase with the underscores in your Messages app. Then, send the message. You'll see that the word important now appears in italics. It's that simple. Just remember to put the underscore before and after the word or phrase. This also works with multiple words. For example, "This is really important underscore." Now, a quick reminder. This method works specifically because the recipient's device supports Markdown formatting. Most modern smartphones do, so you shouldn't have any problems. But if the person you're texting doesn't see the italics, it might be because their phone doesn't support Markdown. And that's it. You now know how to make text italic in Messages on your iPhone. It's a simple trick, but it can add a lot of personality to your texts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or tips you'd like to share. See you in the next video.